Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. If you're new here, my name is Trina. I make a lot of videos about beauty devices and some skincare, so if you're interested in these topics, I would love it if you would subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my videos. I also have a private Facebook group with 10,000 members where we talk all about beauty devices and help each other out, and I'm on TikTok and Instagram. I'll leave links to all of that down in the description if you're interested. Today's video is about this really cool, sleek device called the SolaWave. Everybody wants to send me a beauty device to test because there's so many on the market. And I have to admit, at first I was like, great, another device. I don't know, it looks so small, how can it be any good? And I think that's really what makes this device so good. It does so much, it's so small. It's like the size of almost like a pencil. It's so easy to use, it's so fun, you can travel with it very easily. It comes with a serum, and this actually combines 4 different technologies. It has microcurrent up to 300 microamps. This little device goes up to 300 microamps. And it also has red light therapy. You can see, like, when I push it down on my skin, you can see the red light therapy. And red light therapy is great at boosting collagen, which helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles and helps to plump your skin, helps reduce fine lines. It has vibration facial massage. So when you press on it, it's actually vibrating your skin. So you put the serum on, and then as you're moving it across your skin, you're getting LED, you're getting microcurrent, and then it's vibrating to push the serum deeper into your skin. It's gonna give your skin more benefits and enhance absorption of that skincare. And then it also warms up, so it has therapeutic warmth. So it feels so good, and it combines these 4 technologies into one tiny, super light, sleek device. It comes in 3 different colors. When you get it, you just plug it in and charge it up with the cord they give you. It's really easy. It holds its charge for a long time. The very first time I used it, it took 5 minutes, and I loved it. I love it so much. I'm recommending it to anyone who maybe is nervous to start using a beauty device, or they travel a lot, or they don't think that they have the time to combine a bunch of devices. They don't have time to do LED and microcurrent and a vibrating device on your face. I think it has a pretty affordable price point. The other thing that I really like about this device is it comes in this really cool black color that I think would be really fun to buy for the man in your life if he's complaining about his skin but he doesn't want to do anything about it. It could be a really fun idea just to get him a black one because it looks really sleek. I think it would look really cool in a man's doll kit just to have, and it's so easy to travel with, so easy to use. You can use it on your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jawline, your neck. Don't use it on your throat or your thyroid area because you never want to get microcurrent in that area. And you also don't want to do it on your chest because you don't want to get microcurrent near your heart. You can also turn it to the side like this. You can turn it like this. You can move it like this under your eye. It's so easy to use. And then I shot a video of actually using it, so I'm going to walk you through that right now so you can see how easy it is to use. So you put some of the serum on, and then you do your forehead on either side of your forehead. I do it in the middle, working the 11s. I like to do an eye lift. I'm always trying to work on my hooded eyes. I do lift and holds on both of my eyelids. Then I like to flip the head on its side so that it's a little bit more sleek and hold it like a pencil and do the under eye area and do the crow's feet area. Then I move on to the cheek area. I move it around in circles. Then I'll do some glides up my cheeks just to kind of sculpt out, carve out that area. Then I move down to the jowl area, and I am always trying to tighten up my jowl. I move it around in circles, do some push and holds, do some glides. Then I always love to do microcurrent on my lips. So I just glide it in circles around my lips, and then I do above my lips. Then I move down to my neck. I glide it up my neck upwards, and then I do to the side. And I do either side of my neck. And that is it. The total elapsed time is 5 minutes. It's so easy to use. It's so fun. I had it sitting there in its box for a really long time because I was testing out the Foreo Bear for a 30-day before and after video that I was doing. So I couldn't use this device because I like to isolate the results when I'm testing new devices. So this one I've only used a couple of times, so I don't have any before and afters for now. Let me know what you think, if you think you're gonna try this, or let me know if you have tried it. I thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!